In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Cardoshi virtual card on PayPal. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can seamlessly link your virtual card to your PayPal account and take full advantage of its convenience. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through every detail to make this as easy as possible. First off, let's start by navigating to the PayPal website. You'll need to open your web browser and visit PayPal's homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now at this point you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure to type in your registered email address and password carefully. It's essential to double check these details to ensure there aren't any typos that could prevent you from logging in. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged into your PayPal account, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, focus on the navigation menu where you'll see the option for Pay and Get Paid. Click on it, and this action will grant you access to the financial tools needed for the next steps. Your next move is to go to the Wallet tab. This tab centralizes all your financial information and is where you'll manage your cards and banks. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for and click on Banks and Cards. Now prepare to add your virtual card by selecting Link a Card. This option is usually prominently displayed, making it convenient to find. Having reached the card linking page, get your Cardoshi virtual card details ready. You'll need to input specific information such as the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Ensure that each detail is entered accurately to avoid any validation issues. If you're unsure about where to find these details, they should have been provided to you when you set up your virtual card through Cardoshi. Once you've keyed in all the necessary information, take one final look to make sure everything is correct. Then finish up by clicking on the Link Card button. PayPal might confirm the addition of your card, and you'll know you've successfully linked your Cardoshi virtual card when you see it listed among your payment options in the Wallet tab. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to link your Cardoshi virtual card to PayPal. This process will enable you to seamlessly conduct transactions online using your virtual card, offering both convenience and security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make managing your finances through PayPal that much easier.